Hey guys, it's Alex back with another video. I know this is a little bit actually of a random unboxing, but I've got a MacBook Pro 16-inch right here. This is not my computer, but I am unboxing it. So I have a MacBook Pro 16-inch right here, so I'm like, why not? Let's unbox it. So let's get into this. So they have a little pull tab on the side. So the shrink wrap should just come right off. I know a lot of people like to hear the shrink wrap. So there we go. Now the box should open up like such, and it does. So that's pretty nice right there. So here is the MacBook Pro itself. Pretty heavy computer actually, honestly. These 16 inches weigh a lot, not gonna lie. So let's put the computer to the side and let's see what else comes in the box, because I haven't unboxed a MacBook in a while. So you get your USB-C, your info, your 96-watt adapter. So not bad, not bad. Comes with all the accessories for the computer itself. That's interesting to know, just if you're curious. It comes with all the, obviously it comes with all the accessories. I don't know why I said that's interesting to know. That makes no sense whatsoever. Just haven't unboxed one of these in a while, so I'm just excited because, you know. So here is some of your info. We'll just close that and close the box, and we'll get the actual computer out itself. If the box wants to close. So we'll take the box to the side and we'll get the actual computer now. So here is the actual computer itself. So let's peel this off. Alright, so let's peel off this plastic. You guys always want to hear this, so I'm going to put the microphone right next to it. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so I put the microphone right next to it just so you guys could hear. So here is it. So this is actually interesting to me. So you got the touch bar, but you've got the fingerprint right there, and you've got your escape key right there. And this keyboard, by the way, feels so much better than my keyboard on my MacBook Pro. Like, honestly, this keyboard's just way nicer than the whatchamacallit, the butterfly keys. So much nicer than the butterfly keys. Like, it's not even a comparison how much better this is than the butterfly keys. So I'm gonna actually end up setting this thing up, and so we'll be back for a review. So like always, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.